Welcome to this video in series 2, and today we're going to be taking a look at adding event web part onto your SharePoint site. Open the SharePoint site you wish to edit. Open the SharePoint site in edit mode. Add a new section to your SharePoint site. First, we're going to add some text to describe what the event web part is. Edit the text however you would like. Add a new web part and search for events. By default, our events are coming from a list on this site. We can select for events to come from this site, the site collection, or sites within our environment, or we can select selective sites. We can even narrow down to what category we want the news to come from, and we can select the time period which it should show events from. We also have options on what type of layout we want between film strip and compact. And you can choose the number of items which you want to show on the event web part. For this video, we'll select 10. Once you're happy with your option, select publish and you'll be able to view events that are added by users depending on the options you've selected for your configuration. We will now access another SharePoint site and add an event. Because of the options we've selected in this video, we'll be able to see this event on our current page. With events, you have options to add the title, the date and time when it starts and finishes, the location, any relevant links, any display names for the Skype event, and any categories as well. You're also able to add owners or contact people for the event that's happening. When you are ready, you click Save. And the event will now be seen on our web part. Please see the example. And all the information we entered is available for viewing and interacting with as well. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video in this series.